Kamakura. Magstay kami doon ng 2 nights. Magpo-food hall ako. Steamed cheesecake. Faba beans. Mochi. Chestnut chocolate. Macadamia chocolate. Tapos, yung front ni Damir, binilgyan kami ng mga sweets. Chocolate, white, and milk chocolate. Another sweets, parang pastry na may chocolate. And then, cheesecake. Cheese tart. I think it's like a Portuguese tart. Maybe, I don't know. We're here na sa Kamakura and nakapag-check-in na kami. Room tour ko na kayo agad. So, ayan yung door sa likod pagpasok. May full-length mirror dito. And then, here is the vanity. Meron na ring sink na kasama. Yes. So, ito yung shower room. And then, toilet. Twin bed. Living space. And then, of course, yung telly. And then, yung view. Back view. Nung una, ayaw ko tong tea na to. Pero, ngayon, nagugustuhan ko na siya. Wala rin siyang sugar. Parang healthy lang talaga siya. Ayan, bumili kami. We have all the amenities here. Bath salt. Meron din silang eye mask. Hair dryer. Nice. Kompleto. Pati din dun sa onsen na tinuluyan namin, tsaka sa Tokyo hotel na tinuluyan namin, ganito rin. Sobrang complete sila sa mga amenities. Hindi na kami nag-upgrade ng room kasi lagi naman kaming nasa labas din. So, okay na to. So, ayun lang. Magre-refresh lang kami. And then, where are we going? Beach or Buddha Temple? Basta, magagala na rin kami agad. Entrance is 300 yen each. So, that's the Great Buddha. We're done. Sobrang daming tao, sobrang init. Pumasok din kami sa loob ng Buddha. And sobrang init sa loob, parang parang oven. Kasi nga metal siya, 'di ba? Tapos naarawan. Sobrang init. Pero ayan, tapos na kami dito. We're going now sa gusto yatang mag-beach ni Damir. So, doon kami pupunta ngayon. Damira, let's go! Naglakad lang kami papunta dito. 29 minutes walk from dun sa hotel namin. Second day in Kamakura. We will do some sightseeing, hiking, and what else? Sightseeing, eating.
Lots of sightseeing. Shortcut to the street, but it has a name, so maybe
Dito kami sa Hotel Metropolitan Kamakura nag-stay. Maganda siya. Recommended. Found by Damir.
Four minutes.
4 minutes.
Is it hot?
It's nice. Try this. So, you like this better?
No, the seasoning is so nice.
It's
It's so tasty.
Eat half because it's so big.
So nice. The sauce is so nice.
Ichigo.
Bumili ko ng amethyst bracelet.
She's pretty.
Oh,
People inviting me to have shave. Oh,
we're going to
there is here.
Chorugaoka.
No, then.
Chorugaoka.
Tsurugaoka.
Hachimangu.
Take a samurai related. For me. Minutes up trail.
Thank you.
Maybe put in my bag.
Pumasok kami sa museum at saka sa Chorugaoka temple, pero bawal mag video. So walang video sa loob. Pero ang ganda. Andito na kami sa Engaku Temple. 500 yen yung entrance each. Kanina, yung isang temple kanina is 200 yen per person. Show me. Last day in Kamakura, and we're going to Hasadera Temple. Nagpa-reserve muna kami ng seat sa train, and then nag-check out na rin kami, and then ngayon sightseeing, and then later shopping. Ito na kami.
I got to go see this.
Meron ding cave. Dito kami sa cave. Oh wow. Sobrang baba. We're now going to Kyoto. Meron kaming connection sa Shinagawa. Tapos sa Shinagawa mag-change kami ng train. Shinkansen train to Kyoto.